Here we are with Car Crash 5. Things are going to get exciting because finally our cars are going to start moving. All right, this is all the same. We construct object, call it config. Ooh, we're going to keep score. Good idea. Every time we get by this guy, every time we don't run into the car, we get a point. This allows us to set the speed from a central config file. So if you look at your config, you'll want to add in speed. As we go, we're still loading. We're still getting the rectangle. We're doing our random. I started the other one a little bit low on the screen just so you could see that it was there. But when we play our game, we're going to start the car above the screen so we don't even know where it's going to go. Ooh, look at here. We have an update method. We're going to move the sprite down. So move IP is which direction is it going to go on the X? Well, it's not going to go anywhere left and right. It's going to go down. And we're doing that at self.speed, which is over here. So our speed is going to be 4 to start with. Now, we have to get rid of the car at some point because we just don't want it running down our screen past the edge of the program and going forever. So, if the top of the car, which is the, let me bring up a picture here. So as this guy goes down, eventually his bumper is going to leave the game surface. Well, at that point, we want our sprite to go back up to the top and come down again in a random X, a random X coordinate. So that's what this is doing. As soon as the top of the car, which is this, the bumper, is the top of the car, once that is, where'd we go? Once that is greater than the height of our surface, we get a new random location. We move it up to y equals -120, and then we move the car to the center position, or to the beginning position, and we're going to increase the speed each time the car starts at the top. So you can change this. Right now we're doing 0.4. Well, you could do 0.5, 0.6. You could increase this each time. You could set your speed faster. It's all kinds of things you can do. There's the enemy. And every time we dodge an oncoming car, because we're going to put the collision in the enemy, we get a score. We get a point. What fun is it to have a game if you aren't keeping score, right? Next up, we're going to add something to the player class. Well, this is all the same. Same. Load the image, get the rectangle, set it in the right place, set the screen height so it's almost off the screen. We move it to the initial position. Ooh, we added an update method. The update method gets called every time the game loop cycles, which is 60 times per second. We want to see if any keys have gotten pressed. The player, well, if we keep pressing the key to the left, the arrow key to the left, or whatever I say, key to the left, if we keep pressing it, we don't want it to go off the edge of the screen. So as long as this is greater than 0, we press the left key, it's going to move 5 pixels at a time to the left. We also don't want it moving past the right side. So if the right side of the rectangle, remember we looked at the left side over here, if the right side of the rectangle hits the edge, we're done. We do not go into here anymore. But if it isn't, if it's in between these two, we go ahead and go back and forth. So this lets us go left, This one lets us go right. And now we're move it, move it, move it. All right. The next thing we have to do is we made some changes in the car crash program, and all this is the same, and we create our sprites, and that's all the same. Listening for events, checking events, splitting the background, updating our sprites, and drawing our sprites. Well, when we update and draw, the logic that we put into our player and our enemy class gets fired. We don't have collisions yet, but we do have movement, which is exciting. All right, let's run this guy. Hit your cursor back and forth. Oh, no collisions yet, but we can move back and forth. And notice that the car comes out at random places. And yeah, it'd be nice to have more than one car, which you could do. And notice it's going faster and faster and faster. Yep, it's got to be some excitement in the game. We don't have a score or anything, but of course, that's going to come in the next episodes of Adventures of Car Crash.